Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy. Welcome to my video, welcome to my channel. So before starting the video, I'd like to introduce myself. I'd like to tell you what I'm doing with this YouTube channel in the beginning. So you might have a more idea about me, then you can keep watching the video for it to help you out. So I'm Daria, and what I do is right now these days I'm doing Twitter. I'm actually looking into Facebook, Twitter, IG, Instagram, or any other social media platforms, and I try to help other people. For example, I show them if they don't know how to create an account, if they're not very good with technology, or something is just maybe not working on their mobile device or their computer. So what I try to do is help them with these videos that I make. So these tutorials that I make, the main reason why I'm doing them, because yes, sometimes these things that I show you may look so easy to do, but there are a few steps that we might be, you know, we might not be doing right. So at the end, we cannot get what we want. So that's why I am doing this tutorial so I can help the other people out with what they're doing. For example, the reason why you came here today is to learn how to pin a tweet on your Twitter while using your computer, right? Yes, it's very easy. The process is very easy, but maybe, you're just new with Twitter, or you just new with your computer, you were using your mobile phone for Twitter before. So that's why we're here today, you're here today, and that's why I'm here today to show you how to do those things, right? So thanks for listening, and now let's get to how to pin a tweet to your Twitter profile while using your computer. Your Twitter account shows your personality, and you can choose what people can see. By using this pin feature, the tweet that what people see first on your profile. As you can see, I already have one pin tweet, and you can just understand that I have tweeted this in 8th of August, but this one 14 hours ago, this poll. And as you can see, the one that I have pinned at the top of my profile is staying there, even though the new ones, as you can see, I have retweeted things and all that thing, but the more I retweet and tweet, these things go down, but this one stays right here. And if you use Twitter regularly, you may occasionally post a message that gains traction with other users, or that maybe you want that one to stand out from the rest of your feed, right? And generally speaking, the more you tweet, the further your past tweets or past retweets that can show up in your profile, they go down. And Twitter, but they move down to your Twitter profile. However, Twitter makes it possible to pin a tweet, just like I did right here, so it stays on top of your profile. So you actually choose what people see first when they visit your profile. And pinning tweets to the top of your Twitter profile won't take more than few seconds, very easy, and actually you can unpin that tweet anytime you want, or choose a new one to pin in its place at any time. So here's how today I will show you how to do it on your computer. Actually, the process is not very different for computer, for your mobile device, your Android, iOS, iPhone, iPad, tablet. Doesn't most of the time it's just the same. But what we're gonna do is maybe there are some things that are changing, so that's why I'm making this tutorial. So how do we do that? Today, I'm gonna show you on computer, but I also have the videos for how to do it on your mobile phone. You can also check them out if this is not going to be helping you. But I'm pretty sure it will, because that's why you came into this video. You see in the title. So what we're gonna do, of course, we're gonna go to Twitter in a browser on your Mac or your PC. What you're gonna do, you're gonna write down twitter.com and you're gonna get to your home page. right now, and from your home page, you're gonna click profile. This sidebar menu, you will always have it. So you're gonna click your profile just like this. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna scroll down to the tweet that we wish to pin to our profile. Then, but let's, as you can see, I have to pin this one. Which one I'd like to put? I am gonna put something that I've tweeted way before. Actually, I'm saying way before, but not way before. Okay, this tweet of mine, I would like to pin this. Of course, you don't actually have to click on your tweet like this. It's all up to you. You can do it from this here. It is showing the same things, but let me just do this. Okay, so everything will be more clear. And then what I'm going to do, as you can see, there is this arrow downward pointing arrow to the right of this tweet, and I'm gonna click into that. And as you can see, I have this options to delete, pin to your profile, mute this conversation, weave tweet activity, weave hidden replies. But we're gonna go with, pin to your profile today. I'm gonna click on that. And now Twitter is asking me, this will appear at the top of your profile and replace any previously pinned tweet. As you know that I already had one, I'm saying, yes, pin it. Okay, let's go to my profile one more time. And as you can see, now it has changed. As you know that this was the pin tweet of mine, and now this one. So as you can see, for me to put the other tweet there, I didn't have to unpin it, the previous one. But let's assume that right now, yes, people have been seeing it, or maybe you just don't want it to be down up there anymore. So in that point, what we're gonna do is actually very similar also. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to click here, just like I did while trying to pin the tweet. And now I will click unpin from profile. And of course, Twitter is gonna ask me, unpin tweet from profile. Yes, this will no longer appear automatically at the top of your profile. And I'm gonna choose unpin since that's what I wanna do. As you can see, it has been unpinned from your profile. We have the, what do you say? We have the notification for that. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Where it was very easy, right? I'm pretty sure it was easy, just 5 steps. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you found it helpful. And of course, if you have found it helpful and if you liked my video, I'm pretty sure you're gonna like this video. So don't forget to like the video. And you might think like, was it really helpful? If you came here to learn how to pin or unpin a tweet to your profile while using your computer, yes it did, because I just showed you and it was so simple. So now you know it, so you should like the video. And if you have any questions about this process or about Twitter, could be about any other social media platforms, or just a question that comes to your mind that you would like to ask me, you can ask me on the comments. Maybe you're gonna ask about my hair, you can ask me. You can ask me on the comments, and I'll be down there reading your comments, you're reading your questions, and I will be answering all of your questions. And there's this thing, if you would maybe you have some suggestions for me, for my channel, for my content, you can also write them down on your comments and let me know about your suggestions. So when I'm down there reading your questions and all that, I might also be, reading your suggestions, and I might be like, oh, this suggestion is pretty nice, yeah, I have to do this video, or things like that. So please comment also if you have anything in your mind. And you can share this video with your friends so you can also help them how to pin their tweet to their profile, or how to unpin that stupid tweet that they have pinned right there, just to show it to their exes that they're over them or something. You know what I'm talking about, you've been there. So you should share this video with them so they learn if they don't know how to do it, or maybe they know how to do it, but you're just sending this video link as a message like you should unpin it, you know? Or you should be pinning something else, but not this tweet. It's sometimes good to be playing dumb, you know? So thanks for watching one more time. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I'm pretty sure you did. But in case that you didn't, but I know you did. Maybe you forgot, you were like, yeah, I've subscribed, and then you check down there and it's saying that it's not subscribed. It's showing like a red button, so go click on that button, so you can be aware that I'm sending you, doing all this content for you guys. And that's all. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching the video one more time, and I wish and I hope to see you guys in my next video, and I will keep you contented. Yeah, see you guys.